Hi guys, welcome back. Just thought I'd give you all a quick update on the heater fault. Yeah, I wasn't lucky enough that just a fuse would fix it. Of course I blew the fuse, so yeah. Luckily I hadn't put any of it back together like I said I wasn't going to. But yeah, I've got the heater out now. Basically on number 4 fan speed, which doesn't use the heater resistor, you could hear the fan fluctuating like it was sort of struggling, and then it popped the fuse, so dropped it all out. Thought I'd check that the heater resistor wasn't knackered, not that you can really tell. It looks okay, it's a bit old and sort of crusty and that, so I've ordered another one anyway because it was like 12 quid. But the main culprit is the actual fan, which obviously I lubricated before, but I think the bearing's actually completely given up now because it's pretty tight. So I think that's the problem. So yeah, I've got another fan coming. Once we've got it in, I will give you an update. We have some parts. So, new fan, and in here should be a new heater resistor. Well, new heater resistor. Let's bang her in the van, see if we finally fix this heater problem, stop it blowing fuses. Yeah, heater fan. You look back on my video for doing the AC fix, it sort of shows you how to do that, so I'm not going to show you that one. And the heater resistor literally lives next door to it there. Like so, with two 5.5mm bolts as well. I'll put a link in the video for the other one up there somewhere. All in, so beforehand, when I had the heater on number 4, you would hear the fan sort of fluctuate and then it would pop the fuse. So let's give it a go, see if it's actually sorted it now. It works on speed 2. That's on 4 flat out. I think she's a winner. Now all we've got left to do is put the whole dashboard back together. Wish me luck. So there we go. Finally got to the bottom of that fuse popping. All down to this old fan. Yeah, obviously I changed the heater resistor. Didn't need to because on number 4 it doesn't even really go, well, it doesn't even go through this, so didn't need to change that, but for the money it was just worth changing it because it's done just as many miles and hours as that has. And yeah, even though I serviced this not that long ago by oiling up all the bearings, it's obviously drawing a bit too much power and blowing that fuse, so you know, it's probably entitled to it at 182,000 miles. So new fan, good as new, trim's all back in. Hopefully we'll have some yeah, trouble-free motoring for a little bit. But catch you in the next video, hopefully this helps. See you soon.